Hi, my name is Akshay. I'm the founder and co-director of Developings, which is the nonprofit that Path is under. But today I'm excited to announce and release Path. It's a project that I've been working on for a little while now, but I'm really excited to show you how it works and to hopefully make it valuable to as many people as possible. So I'll kind of just go through this onboarding process now. First, I'll input in my age, my distraction type. So we actually on developings.org on our homepage, we have a quiz that will tell you exactly what your distraction type is, what distracts you the most. But Path will tailor around that. Me personally, I'm a scroller, so I'll input that in. Input in a goal. For my goal, I'm just going to put in something abstract now. But how about something long term, like write and publish a research paper? And for more context about my goal, maybe I'll make this a philosophy research paper. I am interested in works by Camus, but not entirely sure I want to. Something AI related. For a time frame, I'll just choose 3 months. That is a little bit ambitious to write a research paper, but again, this is just kind of demoing how Path works. Path will analyze a goal and break it down into milestones. So the idea behind milestones is when you complete daily tasks, you're working towards a milestone. And then when you complete all your daily tasks, you completed the milestone. And then when you complete all the milestones, the idea is then you've completed your goal. So Path has come up with these 6 milestones: introductory research, identify AI integration. I could, you know what? These are good. I'm going to trust Path. Again, I can edit these milestones here, but again, I'm going to trust Path and just kind of finish the setup here. So now it'll take me to today's plan, which is the interface that users will see when creating their goals for each day, their tasks for each day. So essentially the flow is you converse with AI about what you want to get done that day. The AI is context aware on what your goal is, where you are in terms of your execution, how many milestones you completed, since when is the last time you've actually completed a task. So hey there, I'm your AI coach, gathering foundational knowledge on Albert Camus. And together we'll just pick one task that moves you closer to your current milestone. How are you feeling today? Ready to pick your first task? So I'm feeling great. And yes, I'm ready. And so the model will think, it'll respond, that it suggests reading a brief overview of Camus' major themes like absurdism and existentialism. It should take about 30 minutes. Let's say on a given day, I'm a little bit stressed for time. No, I don't have 30 minutes. How about something that takes 15? Model again will think, it will recontextualize something that takes 15 minutes. Reading a concise article or watching a short video. Concise article sounds great. So together we'll kind of figure out what it is that we're going to achieve on a given day. How about this? So now the task has been proposed: read a concise article on Camus. These are the 3 steps: search for a short article, read through the article, and take brief notes. You know what? This sounds like something tangible that I've done. I'm going to do it. And now we proceed. I enter the dashboard now. I have the task lined up in front of me. I also have all these other tabs: roadmap, coach, journal, settings. I'll start the task now. When I start the task, it'll prompt me to enter focus mode, which is kind of the workspace we're in, but it's essentially a minimalist workspace where it's just you and the task in front of you. So let's say I was completing this task, reading an article on Camus. I would first search for this, and then I'd come back here once I'm done with that, check it off. Then the next step, check it off. Next step, check it off. And these are just kind of for styling, whatever works best for you. And then I realize I'm done when I've completed reading the article and made notes. When I'm done with that, I can mark my task as complete. The dashboard will be back here. It'll say completed, check back to mark your next task. I can see my progress here. I can look at my roadmap to see, where I am in terms of my goal, where the target date for each milestone is, if I'm on track or not. There's also a path coach, which is another model that, is context aware of exactly where you are in terms of your goal. And it's just another resource to kind of help you out. And journal, again, you can kind of just come here when you want to reflect. It gives you an optional prompt, what I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for my friends. Save entry. I can see kind of all the entries that I've had. If I didn't like this entry, I can delete it. Yeah, that's pretty much Path. Hopefully you can derive some value out of it. Again, this is completely free to use. We'll never charge a dime for this service. And we hope that you can follow through on your goals. Thank you.